Okay, considering this problem, calculate the energy required to heat 350 milliliters of water from 30 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. We need to use this formula right here. So that's the energy, this is the mass, specific heat capacity, and temperature change. So to find the mass, we have the amount of water right here, but to turn it into mass, we know that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 gram of water. So if we have 350 milliliters, we also have 350 grams. But in this formula, the value has to be in kilograms. So divide that by 1,000, which is 0.3 kilojoules. Now the specific heat capacity of water, this is a constant by the way, is 4,180 joules per kilo per Kelvin. And to calculate the temperature change, it's just the final temperature minus the initial. So we know the temperature change is going to be 70 degrees Celsius. Now with all these values we can put them into our formula. So 0.35 times that times 70, and if you put that into our calculator we get this value right here in joules. But if we wanted it in kilojoules, we would just divide that number by 1,000, giving us 102.41 kilojoules of energy. Yep, so that's it.